Farmer McGregor from Master Gardener's puppet show, The Misadventures of Peter Rabbit, performed by Sussex County Master Gardeners. We'd like to be able to put on our show for you, but right now we can't. So we'll give you a virtual taste of the show. During this COVID crisis, I've been growing lots of vegetables like this luscious tomato and this cucumber and this zucchini, which kind of got away from me. I call this a zucchini bat. I love to grow things. I haven't been able to have any human visitors in my garden lately, but there's lots of wildlife here. Let me introduce you to a few. Here's Peter Rabbit. Our puppet show explains how he and I became friends, even though he stole vegetables from my garden.
Well, since I learned my lesson and I want to help you, Farmer McGregor, and I've got lots of time on my hands, I've planted my own vegetable garden. Vegetables are nutritious, provide vitamins, protein, carbohydrates, and fiber. I've planted tomatoes, peppers, yellow squash, and zucchini squash, and of course carrots. I love carrots and tomatoes. Yum, yum. I have almost all the ingredients for a huge salad or salsa or spaghetti sauce. And I'm growing sunflower seeds. Oh, well, I gotta go. I've got lots of work to do. Eat your vegetables, kids. See you later.
You are a great help in my garden, Peter. Oh, here's your mom, Mother Rabbit. How have you been coping with all the little ones home all day?
Hello, Farmer McGregor. Oh, yes. Flopsy, Mopsy, and Cottontail have been such good little bunnies during this pandemic. We've been studying our lessons, and then we go out and do fun things like pick berries and bake buns. And Peter learned so much from Farmer McGregor that he taught us how to grow carrots in a pot. We love carrots, us bunnies. See our big pot of carrots over there? We're waiting for them to be ready for harvest pretty soon. Well, we have to go bake these blueberries into pies now. Come along. See you later.
Here's Ripley Rat. He has become a great salesman for my vegetable stand. Tell the folks how you came to join my business, Ripley.
Hi, I'm Ripley Rat, and I help Farmer McGregor now, and Peter Rabbit and I are friends, and I'm not a tricky guy. I mean, I and Peter, we've made friends, and just because he dropped his dollar bill, and I gave him a candy bar because I wanted his money, and he didn't really want to spend his money on vegetables at that time. But now we're friends, and I help, and Farmer McGregor lets me sell the vegetables, and it's lots of fun. And Farmer McGregor has an awesome, huge market, and I sit there and tell people this is good and that's good. And you know what's really good? I really like some of those vegetables. I like the cauliflower and the broccoli, and especially the fresh corn. That's yummy. Don't you think? Anyway, I have to go back to the market. See you later. Bye.
Sell, Ripley. You know, I depend on pollinator friends to produce my vegetables. If the flowers don't get pollinated, they don't produce fruit. Here's Busy Bee. What have you been doing during the COVID-19 crisis, Busy?
I've been busy. So many people are home planting flowers. There's so many flowers for me to visit. You see, I go from flower to flower, collecting nectar to make honey and pollen to feed my hive. Each flower only has a little bit, so I have to visit many flowers. When I fly from flower to flower, I spread the pollen, and then the flowers can make seeds and fruit. So I am a pollinator, and I'm so busy. So many flowers, so busy. Oh, I have to go. I'm busy.
She sure is busy. Maybe Madam Butterfly has time to talk with us. Good day, Madam. You're looking beautiful this morning. What have you been doing lately?
Yes, I am beautiful, the most beautiful thing in the garden. Since I emerged from my chrysalis, where I changed from a caterpillar to a butterfly, I've been flying from flower to flower, sipping delicious nectar. I adore the color pink. So this bee balm is just so pretty and delicious. And also, I like this coneflower. Thank you to all the wonderful people who have planted these flowers for me.
Thank you, Madam Butterfly, for pollinating my flowers. Have you seen Lily Ladybug? Oh, there she is. Good morning, Lily. Say, they tell me that despite your name, you're not a bug, but a beetle.
Yes, they call me a good bug, but I am really a beetle. Bugs and beetles both eat plants, but beetles also like to eat bad bugs like aphids. I have been so busy lately finding these little aphids that feed on your plants and possibly hurt them. They are so yummy for me. Excuse me, but I see more aphids. I need to eat them. Oh, when my tummy is full, I will rest a bit and before I get hungry, and then I come back to your garden again.
You are welcome in my garden anytime, Lily. There's another beetle that I'm not happy to see, the Japanese beetle. He's a bad bug.
Oh, hi, I'm Japanese Beetle 973, but you can call me Happy because I'm happy to eat just about any kind of leaf. My brothers and my cousins and my nephews and everybody, we're all coming to eat everything you got. Well, people say we're a bad bug, but we like being bad. We're gonna eat all your leaves, and I'm too big for a ladybug to eat, so I'm gonna just keep eating and eating here.
Well, he may be happy, but I'm not. He's been eating holes in my rose bushes. Lily Ladybug may be too small to eat a bad bug like that, but I know a predator that is big enough.
Record.
Hello, I'm Max. I'm a praying mantis, and I'm a fierce predator. I've got these claws on my front feet, and I'm looking for a bad bug to eat. I'm a good bug, I want a bad bug. I heard there was a Japanese beetle. Oh, there's a Japanese beetle. I'm gonna get it. Yeah.
No!
I have another friend that eats insects, Josephine Bat. Josephine, what have you been doing these days?
Hi there, I'm Josephine the Bat. I am a friendly critter to find in your garden, but you won't find me there in the daytime. I like to sleep in the daytime. I fly at night, and I eat insects. I'm an insectivore. I eat moths and especially mosquitoes that really bother you humans. So be kind to me. I do not drink blood. People think that, and that's not true. I don't like blood at all. I like bugs.
No, we humans have been staying close to home because of a virus, but we're starting to come out a little more, so keep eating those mosquitoes. Well, that's all we have time for today. I hope we puppeteers can be back on the road someday soon with the misadventures of Peter Rabbit in Farmer McGregor's garden. Bye-bye.